Hey everyone, my name is Katie, and today I'm going to be doing a quick demo showing you our new on-demand data modeling workflow, which is a way to develop data models with Lightdash and dbt that's faster and easier than it's ever been before. So here we are in Lightdash in the SQL Runner, which is a place where you can write custom SQL queries and really quickly get results and, create charts that people are interested in. So I've built a query which is looking at sessionizing our website views. So it's a sessions table that shows me how many sessions a user has had, how long their session was, things like that. So I'm going to look at, maybe the total number of sessions over time. And maybe this is just the chart that I needed to create on the fly and share with someone. And I can do that by saving the chart and just sharing it with them like I would any other chart in Lightdash. But in this example, I've actually built this table and I've realized that a lot of people want to reuse this to build their own queries from. And so there's two ways to do this in Lightdash. The first way is by creating a virtual view, which creates a view in your Lightdash project, but doesn't get written back to dbt. These views are really helpful if you have to reuse a query a couple of times, but it's not something that's going to be persisted or used for a really long time. And so it doesn't need that governance aspect like your dbt models do. In this example, I know that this is a model that a lot of people are going to use and they're going to keep using it. So I'm going to do the best thing and write it back to dbt. So here I've created a table called website sessions, and Lightdash will open a pull request with this new dbt model and generate a YAML file automatically for it. So we go into GitHub, we can see all the information about who's opened this pull request or who's suggesting these changes. And we can see the files that are changed, which end up being the data model that we were looking at. So it's added to my models folder into my dbt project. And then we also see the schema.yaml file, which is a place where you can totally configure the dimensions and add metrics and descriptions and labels and all those good things in your governed semantic layer. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to merge this pull request. And then if I head back to Lightdash, I'm going to go and query from new tables, and I'm going to refresh my dbt project so that it resyncs all of the tables that I've just pushed to my dbt project. Okay, great. So our project has successfully synced, and you can see that the website sessions table has appeared in the table sidebar as a table that I can explore in Lightdash. So I'm going to go ahead and click into it, and I'm going to do the same query that I had before, which is just showing me the total global sessions over months for the past however many months. Great. So now I have a dbt governed model in my Lightdash project that other users in my team can actually explore. So I've gone all the way from a custom SQL query to a governed and reusable dbt model in just about 3 minutes. So I hope you can see now that developing data models in Lightdash is faster and more flexible than it's ever been before, but we've also made it really easy to sync back and govern this with our dbt write back. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this demo.